Hello everyone, welcome back to English Guru YouTube channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common area of confusion in English grammar, the difference between whose and whose. These two words may sound similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using them correctly. Let's start with the basics. What exactly do whose and whose mean? Whose is a possessive pronoun. It's used to ask about ownership or to show possession. For example, whose book is this? Whose phone is on the table? Whose, on the other hand, is a contraction of who is or who has. It's used in sentences where you're combining who with is or has. For instance, who's coming to the party? Who's going to the concert tonight? Now, it's your turn. I'm going to give you a few sentences to practice in the below. Let's see how well you've grasped these concepts. Fantastic job, everyone! That's a wrap for today's lesson on whose and whose. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these words in your everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful grammar tips. Good luck with your English!